I love you.
Morning, Owens. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated full day of eating for you guys. Not going to be the same as my first video because I have changed things up. I'm not eating the same way, so I thought might as well do the update. And then I got legs later, so I'll bring you guys along for leg day. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Just real quick, I wanted to say thank you for everyone that sent me a little DM. I gave me a little comment on my last video. Yeah, I contemplated that for a long time, contemplated making that. It was very difficult for me to make, but it's the truth and it's what's happened. So I kind of felt very obliged to do so. So thank you for the support. And yeah, just so you know, pretty much every YouTube video I have been high as a kite. Difficult to film. I would shoot things multiple times. So anyways, if you haven't checked that video, go check it out. It's not my normal video. I'm just chatting in the car with some clips rolling. Without any further ado, let's go smash breakfast. Some eiers. What does it entail?
When you finish
So that's pretty much breakfast right there. 4 eggs, 3 pieces of toast. These boys are just for a little bit of extra carbs. And just make one more cup of coffee quick. Look at this. Oh, dude, Jax. I'm gonna wait while I eat this, huh? You too, Maya. Maya. Yeah. That's breakfast right there. This, don't know if you guys know, this is Mr. Sticky Eric Bugenhagen. These Nature's Valleys bars, 200 calories for the pack. With some peanut butter and some syrup, you're adding like another 100 or so calories, and that goes down so easily. So I find myself often just adding it on to most of my meals, pretty much. But yeah, let me smash these eggs before they get cold.
Sustain.
So if you guys are struggling with getting the cat, hey, if you guys are struggling trying to get calories down, this is basically free calories. I do not feel this does not impact my digestion at all. If anything, it's pretty good for my digestion with all the seeds and cack in the bars. But that's about 300 calories just there. Feels like a treat to eat. Add that 3 times a day and you got like another 1,000 calories going in. Hey! So yeah, give it a try. I banged it, I smashed it. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys for meal 2. Alright, so here's the morning stack. Vitamin stack. So we've got multivitamin. Vitamin D3, take 1 of these. Vitamin C, take 3 of these. And I've been trying to get into the habit of taking after I train as well. Kind of difficult, I don't know why. I always take it in the morning, but I don't know, I just forget. And then 3 of these as well, fish oils, omegas. And also, this thing is 2 liters. So I try to fill this up and drink it throughout the day, and then I drink about 1.5 liters while I train as well. So yeah, getting your water in is probably one of the most important things. Your muscles will not work if they are not hydrated. So I suggest, if you're someone that struggles getting your water in, get a nice botty and just get into routine. If I don't have this bottle, I also suck at drinking my water. Yeah, so I just took a fat nap, a much needed nap. Feel fucking great, lad. And yeah, it's time for meal 2, and I'll show you guys what it is right now. Yeah, so I just cook up some chicken. These ritties. These ritties are pretty ultimate. 40 grams of carbs from 1, so I'll have 3, and they just taste nice. I'll toast them. Just get it going. Something new I've been doing is throwing my seasoning in straight papa on the pan, and it actually gives it a really nice flavor. Plus it coats that bottom, because I'm quite lazy and I don't I just throw the chicken straight and then I season it in the pan normally. We just layer this thing like so, and yeah, and the chicken just goes straight on top. And you put some more on the top. And just focus here. Damn. Yeah, I'll see you 7:30. Okay, one time.
Cool, man.
Yeah, I'll check you later.
Bye.
Safe. This stuff tastes so good. It's a staple. You've seen these before. I was lazy this time and I haven't fried them, but I kind of do the same job. This time we got avocado as well. There's not much of this left, but I'm gonna finish off what there is. This is tomorrow's little snack. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this pan over here, and then I'll throw it in the pan and give it a toast. Right, these boys are pretty much done. Yes! That is meal 2 with buff. Some good old fashioned oros. One of your balls here, your trim cheese. That is slightly toasty after cooking. Yes! These titties. Anyways, meal 2. It's about 150, 140 grams of carbs. It's about 40 to 50 grams of protein. And I got a fat stick oros. So yeah, it's gonna go down. I don't know if you guys have watched 3 Body Problem. This is just a little general service announcement. It is fucking fantastic. Go and watch it. These titties. I had a chest yesterday. Oh, that was glorious. I'm gonna carry on watching and see you guys for meal 3. I don't think it would be one of my videos if I didn't show you guys the fucking view. The sun is wild right now. Oh, is it? We're getting on to meal 3. I'm gonna do something simple, easy digesting, because I'm training in like pretty soon, about an hour, and I don't really want anything sitting in my stomach for legs. So we're just gonna do some rolls and ham and cheese. Put like 3 sticks of ham on there, so I still get a decent amount of protein. Decent, I get some protein. Is anyone else like me with these butter knives? Like I just got this knife, but it tweaks me out when I try to spread anything with a sharp knife. So I'd rather just. I mean, that's such a minor difference, but tell me I'm not crazy. Don't waste my cheese cutting skills either. I'm so bad at cutting cheese. Maybe it is just the knife I'm using. Whatever. Don't vase. When you vasting. Actually, if you want to vase, that'll be sick. Throw me some comments. Any comments are good comments, you know. I would like you to explicitly tell me how bad I am at cutting cheese and what I can do to improve cutting cheese. Know what I mean? And if you guys want to vase me about using cream salad as my mayonnaise, you may do so as well. Please do so. I just like it. That is meal 3. Some white bread, ham and cheese and mayo. Should digest reasonably quick. I don't have to have an accident while I'm training. Okay, so I'm not hungry right now, but it's what it takes when you're trying to gain weight, you know what I'm saying, dog? I feel quite blessed right now. I just get to sit here and fucking eat.
I love you.
I just wanted to add, since I kind of stopped smoking, my appetite is insane. My body feels like it's operating again. I know most of you are going to be like, what about the munchies, you know? I can eat more when I'm high. When you get to the point and your tolerance is high enough, it just becomes like a stimulant, like a cup of coffee or something. If you have a cup of coffee and you're hungry, your appetite goes away. And that was pretty much where I was with the bud. So I know for a fact I'm gonna start putting on some good mass. And I've already started putting on some weight, so it feels good. Besides all the mental benefits, and clarity coming back, etc. I'm gonna be able to eat more. Yeah, so that's meal 3, and I will see you guys at the gymnasium. Right, about to head. Decided against my monster because honestly I might just shit myself. Tummy's not feeling the greatest, but yeah. Alright, on me way. Alright, we have arrived. Time to smash it. Yeah, okay. Jesus. Right, just got to the gym. Training with Big G over here. We are ready to die, but we'll get a little warm up in quickly and then yeah, get on to the first movement. Okay, so first movement, leg extensions. And I'll probably go into some hamstring curls, and then we'll go onto the leg press. Probably come back for more leg extensions, just seated and lying, and finish off with some lunges. That's the workout.
circle.
These are all kind of rapid fire sets. We're taking, like, as soon as G's done, I go. As soon as I'm done, he goes. So also very much so a hit training style. It's the second leg workout for the week, so feeling a bit gassed anyways, so it is probably the best approach. Let's just smash it fast. like I might just shit myself. It's not good. It licked my camera. Aye. Alright, that was a solid session. Another hit style session. I've been really enjoying them. I try to keep the volume up, but often when I train with Big G, it's high pace, very intense. Probably won't be able to see on the edit or on the video because I'm gonna cut it, but literally as soon as he's done, I go. As soon as I'm done, he goes, and we work well like that. Keeps the intensity up. Got the session done in like an hour and a half. And yeah, here's meal 4. Fat bowl of Cocoa Pops after training, and then yeah, I got one more meal, beef and rice, and maybe some eggs. I'm gonna munch this quick. I'll check in with you guys for the last meal.
That's high. That is high. 20 years. Shinto actually said that maybe it's a little bit too high. I don't know what you think. Yeah, it's too high, man. You're trying to get me killed? You want to do something lower? No! You're sending me mixed signals here. You can't make me look like a little bitch. That's fine enough. Like it.
You ought to put extra milk in so you can drink some at the end. Anyways, that's my stuck Milo cereal finished. Meal 4. Following the trends, cereal after I train, just shuttle it into the system after depleting everything. Can't say I've been seeing a huge improvement, but it tastes nice. Free cheat meal. Excuse me. See you for meal 5. Right, here's the last meal. I'm not going to eat all of this, I'm just going to cook all of it. Now I'll do those eggs, and I'm too lazy to make rice, so I'll just throw one of these wraps on. Some carbs. Same thing as the chicken. Put some seasoning in the pan before the stuff even goes in. And for my beef, I like to use this rosemary and olive. Rosemary and anything. Rosemary just goes well with beef. I see a lot of people out there making beef, cooking mincemeat, and not cooking it enough. They actually make steamed mincemeat. So obviously you can eat it when it's raw, you can eat red meat, but the idea is to make it taste good. So when you cook it, try to get some nice browning bits. You know, don't just wait until it's all kind of looking cooked like it kind of looks now. This isn't nearly cooked in my opinion. And you're going to get a lot more flavor when the beef actually starts to cook and brown. Just a little pro tip. Okay, you have it. That's for meal 5. Just got some beef for tomorrow. And buff. That's that. It's my full day of eating for you guys. My updated full day of eating. I'm gonna sign off here quickly because it's getting pretty late. It's 11:30. If you made it this far, thank you so much once again. I really appreciate you. Hit the like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be uploading again in about 2 days or so. Kind of on like a twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week grind at the moment. and yeah, I'm enjoying it. So peace. I ended up adding a little stuck avo that is left in the fridge. Thought I'd just show you. Damn, that looks pretty good, not gonna lie.